Hi guys, it's Dylan here at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this Ducati Multistrada S 1200cc V-twin, absolutely wicked bike, 160 horsepower there or thereabouts, so they're mega quick but also super comfortable for touring, luggage, cruise control, all that kind of stuff. So this one's a 2015 bike on a 15 plate. It's done 2,029 miles. Being the S, you get the Brembo monobloc brakes with Evotech protectors on them as an aftermarket part there. You also get the Skyhook suspension on them too, so they're electronic suspension. This one's got the luggage. And of course, look awesome as well with them single-sided swing arms and some nice billet parts there at the end too. So it is a keyless ignition. So as long as the key's near the bike, it'll come to life. Full colour TFT display. All your switch gears are all lit up, as you can see. You've got cruise control, different rider modes. As I say, on this particular year, you get the electronic suspension too. And this one's even got electric Scottoiler and also a tyre pressure monitor system too. So over this side, you can see you've also got the protection by Evotech at the bottom of the fork and the brake cover as well. You've got the quick shifter on here as well, and a centre stand for easy maintenance, and you've also got all this R&G protection over the sides too. So last thing to mention, it has also got the Arrow exhaust and it has an ECU remap too, so it sounds awesome and runs good as well. And last thing you can also see as well, super bright LED headlights on these. So what a great all-round bike. If you do fancy it, give us a call. I'll pop it down to the showroom and we'll put your name on it. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.